1st of May 2020 is a remarkable day for Malaysia because this is the first time in our history where most of the people might feel excited because they can back to work, and this is announced during a Labor Day. And hello everyone, Chun Beng here from KayaPlus. So today we will share 5 points to take note with these changes announced by our PM during 1st of May. Stay tuned. First is about the stock volatility. So as you can see, Bursa Malaysia just reported a set of outstanding results during their latest quarter reports. The revenue actually jumped close to 20%. And we also can support the fact that Rakuten Trade have activated more accounts in the month of March 2020. Now there is a change in direction from the government. What could that mean? It means most of us will be going back to work. There will be no more trading or monitoring the market during normal weekdays, especially the work hours. And you might see many short-term traders will be trying to close their long position because they can no longer monitor the security that they bought, like how they did during MCO. And we also may see there will be less momentum-led kind of trading activity because there will be lesser people doing this, more people going back to works. Second, reopening of most businesses. Finally, there is a relief to the SME or business owner where they can start to operate or resume their business activity, and this means there will be some stable income or cash flow going into their business. Although it might take some time to resume back on how they used to perform back then, but it's still a good news because they can start to do the business activities. Next, more will be open. So we should take a closer look on how they actually perform, what is the traffic after MCO, because this will give a good indicator on whether we should make our investment in retail REITs. Because after all, none of us know what will happen in the future. Observation and have some strategy to react against what you observe is the way we should always do when we want to decide what to invest in the market. Third, the moratorium debate. We have a surprise announcement by Bank Negara during 1st of May saying there will be a changes of what they have announced, which is the deferment of loan payment for hire purchase loan. What does that mean? It means if the loan is deferred by 6 months, the outstanding amount will be charged interest. But we are seeing news flying around that this thing might do another U-turn, we don't know. But as an investor like us, if we are keen to stay investing in bank related stocks, we should always monitor this thing because this will have a very huge impact to the bank stock on how they can perform and whether they have the capability to give out dividend in the future. 4. Changes in work culture. This MCO threw us at a sudden change of habit. It forced most of the employer to ask their employees to work from home. Now, everything might go back to normal slowly, but some habits are here to stay. Some company might find working from home is actually a better option after they test it out during this MCO, and they might continue to do that. So what does that mean? It means some of the company might be beneficial from this change of habit. So we should always take note and try to study more about what is the company they are the winner behind all this. So for example, the video conferencing application or some software that supported the company to monitor their staff or employee when they are working from home. The last thing to take note is there might be the return of COVID-19 virus. Although in Malaysia we are seeing quite a good result because we are able to keep our new case at 2 digits for a very long time. But right after the announcement of our Prime Minister in 1st of May, we are seeing 3 digit new cases on the day itself. So regardless, we should always stay cautious and monitor the situation, and always take our precaution or prevention step when we are out in the publics. Always keep the mask with you, always keep the social distancing, because ultimately health is the most important thing. So what is the key takeaway? At KayaPlus, we has always been a strong advocate in staying invested in the stock market regardless of time. As an investor, we can't time the market or predict the future. What we can do is to prepare ourselves with a list of strategy we wanted to use that suited our risk profile, so that we are confident when we invested in some company and we can make the right decision when to buy or sell. We can't predict the future. What we can do is always get ourselves ready to react when anything happens. So your fundamental investing strategy is very important. You should have a way to know what is your risk profile, and this will determine what is your buying strategy and your exit strategy. So we hope all our followers will be able to keep on trying to equip yourself with more investment knowledge. Stay safe, and most importantly, invest safe. Thank you. This is Chun Beng from KayaPlus. If you like this video, please like, share, and if this is on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.